You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the order of operations. The final result is 75. Let's solve it step by step. We begin by calculating the expression inside the parentheses. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 2 times 5 equals 10. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 11 minus 10 equals 1. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 20 over 5 equals 4. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 80 minus 4 equals 76. 76 minus 1 equals 75. And so the final result is 75.